Last week at Apple's Spring Loaded event, they announced, amongst many other things, AirTags. We've been anticipating these for a while, and they're basically little item trackers. They started pre-orders last Friday, and those of you that pre-ordered them should be getting them later today. So, for those of you that are getting them or are still maybe on the fence about getting them, here's what you should look to expect when you get yours in the mail. So first of all, these things are impressive. They're really sleek. I like the chrome-ish polishing on them. They just kind of feel good, you know? They're small enough so that you can put them in pockets, in key rings. I'm sure someone's gonna make like a case or sling type deal where you can stick this to your Apple TV remote. It's small, it's really small. It's maybe a little bigger than a US quarter. In the box, you don't get much. If I'm gonna be honest, you get the AirTag, graphical instructions, literature about them, and that's really about it. Taking out of the packaging, all you have to do is unwrap it and pull the tag, and it makes a lovely little noise letting you know that it's ready to set up. In order to set it up, all you have to do is bring your phone next to it, or your iPad or iPod Touch if you still use one of those in 2021. And it will basically set up just like AirPods or a new Apple Watch. It almost does it on its own. You get a couple pre-selected things that you can tie these to, like your keys, your backpack, your wallet, your bike. It'll then link it to your Apple account and to your phone number, so that way it can basically guarantee that this is yours. And after that, you're off to the races. You can stick it really wherever you want, because again, these things are small and sleek. I'm sure there's companies out there that are making all kinds of little keychains, key rings, all kinds of stuff to put these things on. Now, the thing that makes these special is they tie into Apple's Find My network. And they made a big deal out of this because, forget the exact number, but there's like a couple billion devices using Apple's Find My network. And with recent software updates over the past couple of years, you can use other people's devices to ping your devices to let you know where they are if you lose them. If you lose your AirPods, whatever, you can ping them and find them. One thing that I'm surprised no one's like brought up is you can't ping your Apple TV remote. Basically what these do is it will turn your keys or whatever you hook them up to into basically like an AirPod. You know, like you can go to your Find My app and it will show you exactly where this is, just like it would with your phone or your Apple Watch. Now on iPhone XS, XR, XS Max and older, you look at the screen, it looks very familiar. You get your play a sound to find it, you can get directions to go to exactly where it is, and then you can mark it lost, you know, what have you. However, if you use an 11, 11 Pro, or 11 Pro Max or newer, so the 11 and 12 series phones, the Get Directions gets replaced with a little Find feature. Now this, I think, is really cool. What it will use is it'll use the U1 chip in your iPhone 11 or 12 series. And what it will do is it'll basically put these into a virtual world, and it will ping the sound on the device, and it will use the haptic engine to basically play hot and cold with your keys. So it'll start vibrating and making sounds the closer you get to it, and it will tell you exactly how far away from these items that you are. And I think that's really, really awesome. I don't think Tile lets you do that. And that's kind of what these are competing against, is Tile. Now this is just a quick unboxing and first impressions video. I might do a review a couple months later down the line, as currently, because of the sickness that I'm not allowed to talk about on YouTube, because then they bury my channel. You know the thing that's been happening for like a year now. It's still kind of like illegal to go places, but that's starting to fix though. So I don't anticipate doing like a 2-week or 3-week review on it. Maybe like a 6-month review. But yeah, it's just quick unboxing, quick first impressions before yours arrive in the mail, so you know what to look forward to when you get them. And if you're still on the fence about getting them, you know, do you want to get these over the Tiles? If you use Apple devices primarily, these are incredible. For $30 and $100 for a pack of 4, saving 20 bucks on that, these are pretty damn good. So there you go, guys. That's my first impressions of the Apple AirTags. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like and subscribe. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have an iMac to go pre-order. Catch you guys later.